Hmm. 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 What do we have to be thankful for this year? Well, let's see. Our health? Our families? Great friends? I got it. You! That's right, you are great clients, partners, staff, friends, all of you, because without you, there's no way we would be here today. Thanksgiving is just around the corner. We want to take a few minutes to say thank you. Thank you for allowing us to be your trusted IT partner. Being your trusted IT partner is a tremendous honor and a responsibility we don't take lightly. We know there's no shortage of managed service companies out there that you can work with, and we're thankful that you've decided to work with our team, or for some of you who are thinking about working with us. With Thanksgiving just around the corner, we just want to say thank you once again. And of course, if there's anything we can do to help take the burden of IT off your daily worry list, you know how to find us. Just look in the description below for a reminder. Happy Thanksgiving, and don't forget, anything you need, just call. We're here to help.